Hello guys, today I want to show you my new home Janome. It's a very cute sewing machine, manual sewing machine, but it looks so powerful, and it does. This is the stitches. It has 10 stitches, and with the dial selector. For example, you want to use the A, that stitch, you just dial like this, and it's a A, and it will give you that stitch on here. Zigzag, the very popular one, letter H that I'm always using here. Just turn it to the left. This is, I'm using this because this is what I have right now. But you can see you can use also the smaller one. Put it here, you can put here, and then very easy to thread. Just put it here and then put to this side, then go put it down here, then this one here, up, then there's a little groove right here. You insert the thread and then put it down right there, then there's a little groove right here. Hope you can see. Yeah, like that one. Then insert, then it has ready to sew. And also it has a little drawer, and this is the foot controller, little tiny foot controller. It doesn't have power light, that when you turn it on, there's no light, there's no switch, I mean, for turning on. You just plug to it, to your wall or what, somewhere like that, to the outlet, then it's ready to go. Turn it down here, this lever, then it's ready to go. For example, this one, I will show you how it looks like. In letter A, for example, letter A, the A stitch is, this is what it looks like. And this is cotton, pure cotton, small fabric for trial. Then just put down, dial towards you. That's the tension. The tension here is very easy to use. Almost I don't even touch it. I turn that's my pedal. I just, when I step on my pedal, this is what it shows. Okay. I'll show you. This is the stitches in letter A. Okay. And at the back, oops, sorry, at the back, I think it's beautiful stitch. And we'll show you also, if you want to know the zigzag, I'll show you the zigzag. Okay, zigzag, they have already zigzag sizes. The F that you can see is bigger, the biggest, and this one is we go to the letter H, smaller one. Okay, very easy. Then dial, put down the needle, and then step on again. It just doesn't have a thread cutter, of course, for this size of sewing machine. We don't expect really, but if it does have it, it's very good. And this is the stitch of letter H. It's very nice, I think. Okay, let's see the letter G. I don't even touch the tension in cotton fabric. It's okay. Oops. Oh. Letter G, which some sort letter G. I'm gonna repeat this. Letter G. You need to change the stitches. Letter G. Show you letter G. That's the letter G stitch. Letter G stitch. Front and back. It's pretty good, I think. Okay, we try the other one. Okay, letter G, letter F. Turn to letter F. Letter F. Letter F is this on the right, letter F. Letter F. Yeah. They're all about the same. Just change this if you feel like you need to change the tension. Then the other one is, for example, you want the letter D. The D is bigger, longer stitch. We try it. Longer stitch, letter D. Letter D in cotton fabric. It's the letter D. Okay, at the back, a little mess now. Okay, I'll show. Okay, hold on. Alright, it's letter D. Letter D. Alright, I hope I show you at least some that I can show you today. I like this so much. This machine is very nice, even just a little one. But hopefully I could help you by the showing. You can try this sewing machine. You will surely like it. Very portable and easy to carry anywhere. Thank you, and thank you for watching here on my channel. Please share, subscribe, and send comments. Have a good day all.